Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do some light maintenance on this DeWalt DW735 thickness planer. Now this is not a comprehensive overhaul. I'm just going to show you some basic tips and tricks to make sure that your infeed and your outfeed tables are level, that you've got everything clean, and we're going to show you how to clean the rollers to make sure that they're refreshed and pulling that wood through. Let's get started. Now I think it goes without saying, you want to make sure that the machine is unplugged. Now you want to take some acetone, and we're going to use this to clean the infeed, outfeed, and the center table here. Now if you plain softwood, specifically pine as an example, it has a lot of resin in it. So over time you can get a lot of buildup on your infeed and outfeed and your main table here. So acetone is a great way to clean things up here. Okay, I'm going to try to get you a view of the rollers here. Now, I don't care how dull you think your blades are, wear work gloves. This is an absolute requirement because these blades are sharp even if you think they're dull. So the rollers are right here. So this is the infeed roller, and back here we've got the outfeed roller. So what we're going to do while we've got this acetone out is clean these rollers. Now this will refresh them and bring their stickiness back and take off any resin or any other kind of garbage that you've got from pulling old dirty wood through. Now what we're going to want to do, because we can't get the entire roller, we're going to remove all of our tools, get everything out of the way. We're going to turn the machine on for about a second, let the rollers rotate. You can actually put a little piece of reference tape on them, some painter's tape, just to make sure, and then that way we're going to ensure that we clean the entirety of the roller. Once we rotate the rollers, we are going to shut the machine off again, unplug everything, make sure we're safe again. Okay, machine unplugged. I'm going to keep cleaning the roller. With the rollers now clean and the bed clean here, I'm going to use some paste wax to make sure that we lubricate the base here. It's going to allow the wood to slide a little bit more smoothly through the planer. So you're going to want to apply a coat, let it dry to a haze, and then wipe clean. With the wax now dry, we're going to take a clean towel. I'm just using a shop rag here, and we're just going to wipe the haze off. For the final step, and to ensure that we are minimizing any sort of snipe, we want to make sure that we level the infeed and the outfeed tables. So I'll get you a better camera angle, but you can see how unlevel these tables are. So let me show you how we're going to fix this. Okay, so from this camera angle, you can see how uneven this is. So to adjust this, you need a number 4 Allen key, and we're going to just adjust these 4 bolts here. There's 2 here, and then there are 2 on the other side. And you have to hold this, so this bracket is articulated, right? So the table is intended to fold up. So you have to apply downward pressure with your thumb here, and then use the tops of your fingers to level out the table here. So we'll tighten this, and then we're going to go back to the front, as it looks like it's, no, front's okay. There we go. So we'll tighten these up, and then we'll move to the back. Everything is now dialed for hours of more thickness planing. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.